Hi children, Teacher Mike here. Let's get started with our video today with our bucket. Nah, not our bucket. We start with our months of the year. All right, so here we go. Sing it with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in the year. Tell me how many months are in the year? Yes, there are 12. And what month are we in right now? Yes, we are in April. A for April. And what number do we use to write April? 4. That's right. We will use number 4 because it is the 4th month. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right, let's look at our days of the week. So throw up 10 fingers. No. Throw up 7. There are 7 days in the week, you know. See if you can sing them. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's the end. Very good, everybody. Yesterday was Monday, so today is... Yeah, today is Tuesday. Very good. And if yesterday was number 27, today will be number 28. Very good. So I need to use my red marker because yesterday I used my blue. 28. Now, 28. Is it odd or even? Tell me. Yes, it is even because it ends in 8 and because it's red. So let's count 28 by 2s. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Fantastic. Very good, everybody. So let's move on to our word of the day. Our word of the day is a short word. So let's come on over to our wall. And it is spelled B-Y, by. Let's spell it and read it together. B-Y-Y. Oh, I read the word wrong. Let me try again. B-Y, by. Again, B-Y, by. One more time. B-Y, by. By, by, by. Now this by, it might make you think bye-bye, but no, it's different than that. This by is when we're talking about something that is next to something else. You might say, my pen is by my eraser, okay? Or use this by when we're talking about who wrote a story. So like if we said, this book is by Christy Matheson, we would say by that as well. Or if you made a picture, or you made a drawing or a painting, and you said that this painting is by me. This is the by that we use, B-Y, okay? And by, that sounds like a long I sound, B-I, but we have a Y right here. So we are going to think about that. So this Y is making a long I sound. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, children. So our word is by, and you can come up with a sentence that has by in it. I'm going to say, my red marker is by my blue marker. Let's see how many words are in my sentence. My red marker is by my blue marker. That's 8 words in my sentence. How many words will be in your sentence? I don't know. Good luck. Hope you enjoy that. All right, friends. Next up is our shmonemic shmoawareness. No, it's phonemic awareness. There we go. All right. Let's see. What do we have today? All right. So I'm going to say a sentence, and I'm going to leave a word out. And that blank spot, I want you to come up with a word that rhymes with the final word in my sentence. So, for example, I'm going to say, I put a on my head. So, we need a word that rhymes with head that will go in that blank spot. So, what if I said, I put a shed on my head? Okay? So when I go like this, that's the word that you're going to replace, and it will rhyme with the last word of my sentence. So this might take a while, so you might want to pause after I read the sentence, and then you can come up with your rhyming word. He had a on his neck. So again, it's he had a on his neck. So you can pause. All right, let's try the next one. I had a in my lunch. So rhyme lunch. I had a in my lunch. You can pause. Okay, next one is they felt in the rain. So we need a word that rhymes with rain. They felt in the rain. I'll pause. All right, last one. She wears when she sings. So we need a word that rhymes with sings. She wears when she sings. Then pause. All right, good job, everybody. These are kind of tricky, but we have to come up with rhyming words in the sentence, and I'm very proud of you for trying. Sometimes when we come up to things that are challenging or difficult for us, that is telling us this is something that I can learn. So look for stuff that is challenging and try to find things that you can't do, and then that means you can learn from it, okay? All right, next up, I'm going to say 3 words, and I want you to tell me the blend that all 3 of them start with, okay? So glad, glide, glass, gla. Good. Spell, spin, spoon. Good. Swan, swim, swat. Good. Small, smog, smart. Good. Bride, bread, bring. Got it. Draw, drop, dry. Got it. Skin, skate, ski. Good. Free, fry, frog. Good. Fry frog sounded funny to me. Tray, trip, try. Good. Plus, play, plea. Good job, everybody. All right, next up, I'm going to use my chopper, and I'm going to chop up some words, and I want you to blend it together. And all of these words are going to have a Y at the end, and all of them are going to sound like a long I sound. So they're going to make the I sound, just like our word bye. Bye. So listen for those words. Listen for that sound, that long I. Okay? So get out my chopper. S, k, I. Good. Ch, I. Good. F, l, I. Good. B, I. Hey, that's our word of the day. M, I. Good. W, I. Good. S, p, I. F, I. D, I. Good job. J, l, I. Good job. All right, friends. So we just said all those words that end in the I sound, and they're spelled with a Y. So we're going to add it to our wall today because we are making lists of the different ways that Y can be used. So let me move the camera. Here we go. So yesterday we came up with the Y onsets. So these are words that started with the Y sound. These all have Y in it, right? Now we're going to come up with words that have a long I in it, that have the I sound, that use the Y. So we did some of them with our choppers. So the first one was sky. So we have S, I. So that I sound came from a Y. What? I know. Y is very versatile. It means it can do lots of stuff. All right, next one is I. Try. I. Fly. I. Buy. That was our word of the day today. I. My. Let's do one more. I. Why. So all of these words end in Y, and it makes the I sound. So let's say them. I'll say them first, and then you say them after me. We have sky, try, fly, buy, my, why. Good, and they all end in I. They all end in I, the sound I, but it's spelled with a Y. Very cool. Y is a very versatile letter. Very, very neat. Before we do our last activity, I have a joke for you. So our joke of the day is, what is a snake's favorite subject in school? What is a snake's favorite subject in school? I don't know. What? History. History. It likes to learn about history. And it's a snake because it has the S in it. Very neat. All right, friends. So we're going to do one more thing today. We're going to look at some 10 frames. So a little reminder, this is a 10 frame because there's 10 squares on there. How many dots do you see? 0. How many more dots do you need to make 10? 10. Yeah, good. You see how fast you could do that? Because you can see 0 right away. And you know if you have 0, you need 10. So we're going to go through this today a little bit quick. And I want you to try to say it as fast as you can, okay? And we want to be able to rapidly, rapid means quickly, rapidly say how many dots there are. And then also quickly identify how many more are needed. It's kind of a pattern that I want you to look for while we're doing this, okay? So how many dots do you see? 0. How many more to make 10? 10. Good. How many dots do you see? 1. How many more to make 10? 9. Good. So that was 1. How many dots do you see? 2. How many more to make 10? 8. Nice. How many dots do you see? 3. How many more to make 10? 7. Good. How many dots do you see? 4. How many more to make 10? 6. Good. How many dots do you see? 5. How many more to make 10? 5. Good. How many dots do you see? 6. How many more to make 10? 4. Awesome. How many dots do you see? 7. How many more to make 10? 3. Good. How many dots do you see? 8. How many more to make 10? 2. What do you think will be next? How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? 1. Very good. How many dots do you see? 10. How many more to make 10? 0. Very good, friends. All right, so I just added 1 each time. So each time I added a new dot, we knew it just went from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10. So the number of dots we saw went up by 1, and then the number of dots we needed to make 10 went down by 1. It started with 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay? So we're going to try that one more time. I'm going to do the same pattern, but we're going to try to do it a little bit faster, okay? So how many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. I dropped a dot. I slowed us down. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good. How many dots do you see? How many more to make 10? Good job. All right, everybody. That was pretty good. We're going to keep doing these 10 frames because we're going to keep practicing our combinations of 10. And that is our end of our video today. So I hope everyone has a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.